Nearly 12 o'clock in the afternoon. What's up, homies? I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start today's vlog with some packing. First thing, coffee. No cinematic shots. Okay, today is a raw vlog and it's all about updates. So I have actually already done a vlog about Siddhant's Himalayan experience, which happened 2 years back, and I never ship my bike. I'll never do that. I always prefer it to take it in the train. I've also given this advice in past, and I just did an Insta poll, and I love my Instagram family. They're like, bro, we don't want a dead thing. They care so much of my motorcycle. So yes, I'm leaving it behind, and to leave my motorcycle behind, something has to be there with the motorcycle, right? My house has become a mess. This is supposed to be in the studio. About the weight of comparing this with my alloys, okay? And please don't ask me separately. Watch my vlogs, because I told you guys इसमें सारा mix answers होते हैं. So this is nearly the same, the rear wheel. However, the front wheel is quite light, but the rear wheel is nearly the same weight of the alloy. While picking it up, you can sense it. So not a very huge difference. And yes, when I come back from Delhi, the spokes will remain same, the rims will go black, powder coat again, the hubs will go all black. Cool shot was good. First most important parcel I received from Sahara Seats. This is a waterproof cover for my motorcycle, and you know, camo theme काफी चल रहा है. They have also sent me another waterproof cover. Now before I put this on my motorcycle and leave for Delhi, let's test it. So whenever you're leaving your motorcycle behind, and if you plan to travel like how I am traveling, maybe 10 days, 15 days, I would be worried for my motorcycle. It's better I put a cover over it. So that's very important for your motorcycle. Also, a lot of people did ask me that why don't I put the touring seat back on my motorcycle and show how it looks with the alloys. I am really enjoying this seat a lot, and yes, the other parcel had the black one. That also really is cool. I was telling my client in Delhi that, you know, I'll come on my motorcycle, please cancel my tickets. Please understand, and you know, you can pay me that amount for my fuel. And he's like, I already booked a ticket, we badly need you, assignment start ho chuka hai. So I'm like, shit, I have to, and I so badly wanted to ride, but I'll try my best to finish this job at least in a week or 10 days time and come back to Mumbai and plan my rides, unless I get a motorcycle in Delhi and maybe do some rides. But I think I'll even do drives there or something like that. I don't know exactly, but I wish I could ride, and I hope you guys understand that work is important, and this is on urgent basis. I have to leave, and because the entire site is already been opened. And one comment from you guys is very important, that should I do lifestyle vlogs in Delhi, or should I wait for any motorcycle content in Delhi and then vlog, because there is a lot of opportunity to, you know, vlog in Delhi. So let me know, should I continue or should I only do motorcycle content? So thank you for appreciating the hard work we did about the alloy wheels. After that, we rode around 100 odd kilometers on it, quite strong. In fact, I got a lot of messages from some subscribers who already have the same brand but not in black color, and they're like, we're using it since a long time, literally like 2-3,000 kilometers done, so they have no issues with the alloy wheels. Okay, so I've put the body cover. I've just put it like that. I've not yet passed it through the mirror pockets. The quality of this material is amazing, and guys, you know what, 700-800 rupees, I think that's the cost approximate. Don't quote me on this, you can check in the description. The proper link will be there for this product. You will once receive it, you'll understand the quality. It's totally different, it's very easy. This is for travelers, okay, very important. This is more for stationed people. Like if you have a station parking, your office going person, then a stiff one is better. How well this is double stitched for protection. That's why it's a good waterproof solution. Oh wow, this is looking much better. I can't believe it. Don't you think this looks a little better and more comfortable? I find it very comfortable. Also, it's not too bulky. I've already done a video on this, you can check that out. Obviously this looks dope. So let's install this one now. Can also go in a backpack. It's not that you can't put it, it's stiffer. It's just that you can sense, right, that it's quite stiff. but I prefer this kinds. You know, I'm the old school tarp fan, and you can see this is how it actually looks. I like this design they've given. The reason I like this shape and this open area is basically for the air to pass. So there is a way actually. If you want the engine to be exposed, so if you put this strap like this, you have your engine quite open, so the air actually goes in. And after you have your meal or something, you come back down, and if you feel it's cooled down, and all you gotta do is, there you go. Okay, what's happening? What's going on? Great weather. Yes, it's raining obviously. Nothing new in Mumbai. Today I head to Delhi. I'm going by SpiceJet. It's exactly 12:05 in my watch. 1 o'clock is exactly when I leave from here. My laptop, my chargers, everything is in this, and this has my clothes and stuff like that. Yes, I'm carrying my protein too because I think I will be working out, because the good news is where I'll be staying, there's a terrace there, so I can kind of work out. That's pretty good. Buy incomplete studio, buy bedroom, buy my chill zone, buy my workout zone and chill zone, buy my cooking zone. I've got the loudest rickshaw on earth right now. Physical boarding pass still given. I don't know why. Feels good to be at the airport and traveling finally. So shopping places are open, but eateries are shut. I've not eaten anything, but there is a store, so let's see. Quite hot here. They have put the AC little low, and obviously you guys know the structure here at the airport. And flight boarding is on time, so middle seat has to wear PPE suit, kind of a thing. I didn't know this. If I knew, I wouldn't have taken a center seat. That's what they gave me. I have to wear a gown. Let's see. Actually, I forgot which color is my bag. I've reached Delhi, and finally I've removed the mask in the car now. Akash is here. Akash is my Delhi ka friend. They call him Delhi da Londa. Okay, so now that I'm in Delhi, I should have such an accent, and feels really good that I am somewhere else. Flight experience itna yaad rakhna ke if you take the center seat, you'll be wearing the PPE suit or whatever that was called. This was wrong that he didn't inform me that the center seat needs to wear. Others who don't wear it, only the center seat guy has to wear it. If I knew it, I wouldn't have. Problem is not wearing that. There's no ventilation, so my entire t-shirt is full of sweat. Anyways, I'll go home, take a shower, and मेरा COVID test कल है ना? क्या आज है? Anyways, 5 days I have to do quarantine here, so let's see how it goes. But feels good. Outside it is, I can't believe Delhi is so hot. Dude, I was like, seriously, this is shocking. Very, very hot. Very humid as well. I didn't expect it to be dry and humid at the same time. I don't think so. You can see it in the camera, but it's purplish. Shockingly, the clouds here are amazing. The skyline is nice. So there is a lot of work going on right now, and that's why I could not vlog. Also, I was doing self-quarantine. That was very important. So anyways, 5 days are over, and I decided that from tomorrow I should start vlogging. वैसे work is a lot, काम अभी भी बहुत चल रहा है, and yes, I am doing 2 sites. This is the reason I have been not vlogging, because there's a lot of work going on. But now I think I'll be back.